So Hare Krishna. So welcome to the online classes. So thank you very much for watching, and today we are going to discuss about very important topics, that how to see the Lord. Lord is seen, through the ears, not the eyes actually. Through eyes we cannot see the Lord. According to Shastra, according to Srimad Bhagavatam, according to Kunti Devi's statement, that Lord can be seen through the ears. So we will discuss on this subject matter. Before we start, for our Mangalacharan, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnana Anjana Salakaya Chakhur Nimiletam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Sri Chaitanya Manovistam Stapitam Jena Bhutale Soyam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Sopadantikam Bandeham Sri Guru Sijuta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaisnavanam Cha Sirupam Sagrajatam Saganasi Raghunatam Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalitam Sri Vishakham Vitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sutta Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatrubhascha Kurpa Sindhuvaivacha Patitanam Pavanabhya Vaishnabhya Namo Nama Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschat Desha Tarine Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gauravakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna to everyone. So today's topics is very important topics. Today we are going to know that how to see the Lord. Lord is not seen by eyes. We cannot actually factually see the Lord in eyes. Real seeing of the Lord through ears. That is the statement of Srimad Bhagavatam. It is stated in this beautiful verses spoken by the Kunti Devi Srivanti Gayanti Aviksnasaha Smaranti Nandanti Tabahita Janam Soeva Pashanti Achirena Tabakam Bhava Prabaha Uparamam Padambujam. So here Kunti Devi is speaking that you cannot see the Lord through eyes. Just like we go to temple, there is a curtain. When curtain is closed, we cannot see. When there is a conch shell blowing and curtain is open, we see the deities. Similarly, the Lord cannot be seen by our eyes, because our eyes are contaminated. Our eyes are closed by the curtain, covered by the curtain, and we have to remove the curtain. Just like a conch shell is a sound vibration. So when hearing the conch shell sound vibration, the curtain is opened and we see the deities. Similarly, when the sound vibration we hear, we can see the Lord through our ears, not through eyes. That is the statement of Bhagavatam. That is very important to understand for all the devotees, that Lord cannot be seen through eyes, through ears. So we will go through the beautiful verses, today's verses, that is spoken by the Kunti Devi. Bhagavatam 1:8-36. Srinvanti Gayanti Grinanti Aviksnasaha Smaranti Nandanti Tavahitam Janaha Taeva Pasyanti Achirena Tabakam Bhava Prabhaha Uparamam Padambujam. So Kunti Devi here praying the Srinvanti Gayanti Grinanti Aviksnasa. First thing is Shravan. The Shravan hearing is important. The translation and purport by His Divine Grace Sri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. O Krishna, those who continuously hear, chant and repeat your transcendental activities or take pleasure in others doing so, certainly see your lotus feet, which alone can stop the repetition of birth and death. So let me again read this. O Krishna, those who continuously hear, chant and repeat your transcendental activities or take pleasure in others doing so, certainly see your lotus feet. That is the process of seeing the Lord. In this material world, we are all been infected. We all are pathetically entrapped in this obnoxious material world, and we are suffering since time memorial, suffering from so many other adhyatmik adi, daivik adi, threefold of miseries, along with the most principal misery like birth, death, disease, old age. We are contaminated now at present state. So remove the contamination, and due to that contamination our eyes are infected by cataract. Just like a cataract, eye is infected by cataract, we cannot see the things as it is. Similarly, our eyes cannot see the Lord. So we have to remove the cataract, and the formula is given by hearing process. When Krishna was present in Kurukshetra war, there are so many warriors are there, so many people are there, but nobody can see the Krishna properly. There are Kansa, Ravana, so many asuras associate with Lord, but they cannot recognize the Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, because Lord cannot be seen by eyes. Our eyes are blunt, eyes are contaminated. We need to remove it, remove the cataract. We need to purify it. Then only we can see. Therefore, Kunti Devi here praying Srimanti, the Krishna consciousness, the cure process of our material disease begins with hearing. The devotional service begin with Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu. Start with Sravanti, Gayanti, Grinanti. So the hearing process is important. The very good example is given in somewhere in Garuda Puran, that our position is like just like a person is bitten by snake. A person is bitten by snake, he is not dead, he is unconscious. He is unconsciousness, and he can be brought to life by some Vedic mantra, by chanting the Vedic mantra in the ear. Similarly, our position, we are not dead, we are unconsciousness. We are not consciousness of our duty. We are not consciousness of our relationship with Lord. Consequently, we are suffering in this material world. Because of this forgetfulness of Krishna, we are suffering. We are unaware, we are unconsciousness, just like a person bitten by snake. Now to revive, to reinstate, to renovate our consciousness from snake bitten, Maya bitten, snake in the form of Maya, Maya in the form of snake bitten. So we have to brought back to life by the process of hearing. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended the hearing process is very important. Sravanadi Shuddha Chitte Karyaika. One of the beautiful verses he spoke, that Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema Sadhu Kavyanaha. So, this the beautiful verses from Shishyadi. Nitya Suddha Krishna Prema Sadhu Kabdunaha Savanadi Suddha Chitte Karye Udaya. This is spoken by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu here say that Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema. This Krishna Prema, the love for Godhead, love for God, which is our original duty, original relationship, that has been now obscured. That is inherent, intrinsic. That is natural, just like a natural love for the father and children, parents and children, mother and children. That is natural. But it is now dormant, it is obscured, it is covered by the curtain. Just like when a temple room is covered by curtain, deity room, then we cannot see the deity. Similarly, our love for Krishna is very, very inherent, intrinsic, very natural. But it is covered by the Maya, and that Maya, the cotton, can be removed, can be opened by the Sravanadi Sudachite, by hearing process. So there is a paramount importance of hearing Srimad Bhagavatam throughout the verses. I will show you all the reference verses, how the gargantuan, tremendous, stupendous importance of hearing process. Just like Parikshit Maharaj, a death-bound king who was caused to die within 7 days, and he is asking, what is the process? How to stop this death? How to become immortal? What is the solution? That time a devotee of Krishna, a pure devotee of Krishna, Sukadev Goswami, he showed the path how to become immortality to a death-bound king, Parikshit Maharaj. And he stated beautifully in chapter 2, 1, 5, 6. Now all the verses we will go through that verses, that how by Tasmad Bharat Sarvatma Bhagavan Ishwara Hari Sroteva Krititavya Cha Sroteva Krititavya Smarteva Cha Ichchatam Akuta Bhayam. You want Akuta Bhayam? Everybody is fear, because this is a place called Kuntha. Kuntha means anxiety. Kuntha means fear. The fearfulness comes when we turn away from the Lord. Bhagavatam 11:2-37. So when we turn away from Krishna, the fear comes, the anxiety, we are covered by anxiety. We are overpowered by anxiety. We are covered by the anxiety. So you want to remove this fear, we have to hear. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that the pure love for Krishna is eternally established in the heart of living entity. It is not something to be gained from another source. When the heart is purified by hearing and chanting, this love naturally awakens. So we have got seeing power. This is our privilege. Being a human form of life, we have got this tendency, we have got this privilege, prerogative privilege, that we can see, we have this seeing power to Lord. But that seeing power has been now malfunctioning due to contamination, malfunctioning. We have to rectify it. We have to repair it. How the repairing process? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended that Sravanadi Sudachite, by hearing process. Kunti Devi also today says Srinvanti. The first thing is Srimanti, hearing process. By hearing process we awaken. Out of all senses, only hearing, ears is always active even after we are sleeping. Therefore there is an alarm clock. Because only active senses is ears. Even when we are sleeping also it is active. When we are sleeping, if somebody comes with machine gun or a sword, we cannot react. But if somebody sounds come, then it will. We can immediately wake up. Therefore the hearing process is very important. There is a saying that this hearing is an expressway to Godhead. You want to go to Godhead because we are suffering here in this material world. Our duty, our prime goal, our aim of life is to go back to Godhead. There are so many ways, but the ways, the expressway is the hearing process. People are trying for karma, jnana and all. That is a long process. But the expressway, highway is hearing process. By hearing we can go back to Godhead in a very express way. Atirena. Kunti Devi is now, Kunti Devi is speaking that Tabaka Atirena. Atirena means not so far, so quickly we can go. Very quickly. It will not take so much time, very quickly. That is the process. So we should understand that importance of hearing Shravanti. In this regard, there is so many verses and wonderful verses. It is stated in this beautiful verses that we'll start with a very nice verses from Bhagavatam. This is my one of the favorite verses. Nayatra Vaikuntha Katha Sudapaga na sadava bhagavat sasraya natra jagya samako makhamo uchava suresa lokopi navaisa sebyatam. This is from 5:19:24. An intelligent person does not take interest in a place even in the topmost planetary system if the pure Ganges of topics concerning the Supreme Lord activity does not flow there. If there are there are not devotees engaged in service on the bank of such river of piety. If there are no festivals of Sankirtana Yajna to satisfy the Lord, especially since Sankirtana Yajna is recommended in this age. So this is the intelligent person never go to a places where there is no Hari Katha, Krishna Katha. Tava vikriditam Krishna, Tava vikriditam Krishna. Paramamam ninnam paramamangalam. Bhagavatam say Tava vikriditam Krishna. Krishna, your pastime is supremely auspicious. Paramamangalam for human form of life. We are in a very inauspicious position now. We are tormented, tortured, padam, padam, yad vipadam. Every step is a danger. We have been thrown into a material ocean, mama maya durata, which is insurmountable to cross. Only way to cross is the process of hearing process. That way we can see the Lord. Once we see the Lord actually, factually, and stop up repetition birth, that will stop our repetition of birth and death. Now we are covered. Naham sarvasya prakasa. Krishna says, Naham sarvasya prakasa. I am not manifested to everyone. Jogo maya samarpita. I am covered by the curtain to the fools. Na vijananti mudha, mudayam na vijananti. The mudha, the people, these fools, they do not know me. Krishna is covered. Kunti Devi also praying, Maya Avichinna, you are covered by the curtain. This is beautiful verses. Kunti Devi also same thing, 1:8-19. Kunti Devi says that you are covered, my Lord, you are covered by they do not know you. In this beautiful word, Maya Javanika Achanam Agyo Dhakyam Abhayam Nalokosya Mudhadrusya Nato Natyadhara Jatha. Maya Javanika means cotton. Achanam, covered by cotton. My Lord, you are covered by the cotton, therefore people cannot see you. Being beyond the range of limited sense perception, you are eternally irreproachable factor covered by the curtain of deluding energy. You are invisible to foolish observer, exactly as an actor dressed as a player is not recognized. Just like a natyodhara jatha, just like an actor dressed differently, which is not recognized. Therefore, you are not recognized. Although you are present before them, he is present everywhere. Ham sarvasya prabhava, matah sarvam pravatata. He is everywhere. His energy is playing. Maya tatam idam sarvam jagata abhyakta murtina. He is everywhere. He is also as a Paramatma. Sarvabhutanam uddeshe tishtanti Arjuna. But still we cannot see him. Still we cannot see outside. Still we cannot see inside. And he is presenting as a Bhagavana, as a deity, is the representation of the Lord. He is Bhagavana, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We cannot see him also face to face. Why we cannot see? Here it is, Kunti Devi is revealing. No, you cannot see because you are covered. You are covered. Maya Javanika Achanam. Achanam means covered by the curtain. So for removing curtain, we have to hear it. Hearing is best thing, the medicine. निर्वितते से रूपकीयामानंद भावोसुतु स्वता मनोविरमात कौत्तम श्लोकी गुणानुवादाम. It is said that the medicine to cure our disease, eye disease, which is materially contaminated, is by process of taking this medicine. And that medicine is not taken by mouth or putting drop in this but by ear, hearing. When we, by hearing process, if you take this hearing, oral reception, give oral reception, then your eyes will be cured. Then you can see Premanjana Charita Bhakti Bilochanena Santa Sadei Bahudeshu Bilokyan Yam Sama Sundaram Achinta Guna Sarupam Govindam Adi Purusam Tamam Bade. Then we can see the Lord. Otherwise, there is no question. There is a beautiful verses in this regard also. It is stated by Kapil Dev. O my Lord, your devotee can see you through the years by the process of bona fide hearing, and thus their heart become clean, and you take your seat there. See, this is the process. Devotee can see you, but Krishna say no. Naham prakasa sarvasya mudhayam navijananti. The mudha, the non-devotee atheists, they cannot see the Lord, because Lord is covered. But in here it is stated by Kapil Dev that, my Lord, your devotee can see you through the years by process of bona fide hearing. That is very important. Bona fide hearing is important. Without bona fide hearing means hearing from a Vaishnava. First of all, a Vaishnava mukha ginnan. A Vaishnava should not be. Those who are not Vaishnava, that is not a bona fide hearing. Sarpochistagata. Just like a milk is very nice, nutritious. When it is touched by the snake, it becomes poisonous. So when you hear, it is stated that Sarpochistagata. If you hear from a Vaishnava mukha, from a non-devotee, a professional reciter of Bhagavatam, that is like a poisonous effect. It will not help. Or you can hear from a Mayavadi who interpreted, that also poisonous. It will destroy our bhakti. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that Mayabadha sunile hoye sarvanas. Mayabadha bhasa sunile sarvanas. Jivera nistara lagi sutre kahile vyasa. Mayabadha vyasa sunile hoye sarvanas. These are not bona fide hearing. Bona fide hearing means hearing from a right source, from a devotees, from sampradaya, coming from the authentic disciplic succession, from a pure devotees, or from a devotees who is representative, the disciplic, authentic disciplic succession. We can hear from them. Then what will happen? This is called bona fide hearing. Therefore, Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say that Eha Bhagavata Pada Vaishnavara Sthane, or Bhagavata Sthane Ekantrasra Kare Chaitanya Charane. To take, by taking shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, one should hear from a Vaishnava or a devotee, pure devotee. Then what will happen? That is called bona fide hearing. When this bona fide hearing will happen, heart become cleansed. Our heart is now contaminated. It will be cleansed. Sunnatam Sokatha Krishna Punya Sravana Kirtana. Bhagavatam 1-17. Punya Sravana Kirtana. By process of hearing, we will clean all our dirtiness. Our heart is full of dirty. Therefore, we cannot see the Lord. We have no love. If heart is full of love, full of pure, then it will manifest. That pure love will manifest through the eyes. We can see nicely. We can see the Lord. But our heart is not cleansed. You take your seat there. You are so merciful to a devotee that you manifest yourself in the particular eternal form transcendence in which you are always thinking, which they always think of you. So that particular form, we think, the devotee think, Lord manifested that form. and devotee can see through the ears, not through eyes. That is important. So hearing is a very, very important things. Only by hearing one can see the Lord face to face, not otherwise. It has been further asserted in these beautiful verses. Bhagavatam is full of verses of explaining, substantiating this point. The beautiful verses, this verse. Sachira deva rajasya sadachutya kathasraya srinbantam sadadhanasya nityadasya adhiyataha. O best of king, one who is faithfully, who is always hearing the glories of Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is always engaged in the culture of Krishna consciousness, and in hearing of Lord's activities very soon become eligible to see Supreme Personality of Godhead face to face. Here it is said face to face. One can see the Lord face to face, just like talking with your friend face to face, talking with somebody face to face. One can talk with the Lord face to face, but one should know the formula to hear from a bona fide source or bona fide hearing, Srinbanti. We are just talking about one word of these verses, Srinbanti. There is Gayanti, Grinanti, Abhikshanasa, Smaranti, Nandanti, Tavaita. Simply one word, Srinbanti. There are so many references that how by hearing process, bona fide hearing process, one can see the Lord face to face. The beautiful verses 429, 38. One should remember these all the verses. Prabhupada says one should know the Bhagavatam like a lawyer, in and out. And what kind of devotee you don't know anything? And you say, I love Krishna, I am devotee. You must know now. Otherwise, knowing the verses, knowing the understanding of philosophy, it will dry off, stagnated, jeopardize our devotional sense. One should know immediately to quote proof that yes, face to face. Lord is seen face to face by the process of bona fide hearing, not otherwise, not through eyes. Immediately quote the verses. Yes, this is the verses from Bhagavatam. In this way this is the way of preaching Prabhupada has taught us. So this is the process. That how one can see the Lord Srinbanti. The importance of Srinbanti is going on. Hearing is there already. People are sending to college by paying them fees, school fees, college fees, university fees, training fees for just hearing process. But real hearing is Krishna Katha. Other hearings are mundane things, have no benefit. Useless waste of time. Sarma evai kevalam. Sarma evai kevalam. Bhagavatam says. It's just waste of time. But real hearing process means hearing about Krishna Katha. It is stated in these beautiful verses. What is these verses? These verses is there. Just now posted one verses. The beautiful verses is spoken, 11:644. These are beautiful verses, and this it is nice verse. This one. Tava vikriditam Krishna ninnam paramamangalam kanna piyusam asadhya tyajjanti annaspriham janaha. It's a beautiful verses. So, O my dear Krishna, your pastime are supremely auspicious for mankind, are an intoxicating beverage for the ears. So, Lord pastime, Tava Vikriditam Krishna, Ninnam Parama Mangalam. Parama means supreme, highest. Mangalam is auspicious. And how it is? It is intoxicating beverage for ears. Tasting such pastime, people forget their desire for other things. It is the asadhya, kanna asadhya, by the tasting this pastime, not through the tongue, not through eyes also, not through any other limbs, through ears only. Ears is the gateway to liberation. Kanna Piyusam, Kanna Piyusam means nectar. Kanna Piyusam Asadya. Asadya means tasting that your pastime, nectarian pastime through years. What will happen? Forget the desire for other things, because we are implicated due to our so-called material desire. So many desire. Our only desire should be how to get out from this material world, how to go back to Godhead, how to get Krishna Bhakti. Pumartha Param, Prema Pumartha Mahan, the love of Godhead. That is important. Devotees are not interested to Krishna. We cannot see Krishna if he is there with us, but we want Krishna Prema. Love of Krishna, that is important. When you love of Krishna, we can see everywhere Krishna. So other desires that makes us bind in this material world. So many desires. Anya spruha, mundane desire. Our desire means only savai punsam parodharma jato bhakti radhakyada. Only desire to develop the devotional service for the adhokyas of Krishna. That should be our only desire. Na dhanam, na janam, na sundaram kavitamba jagati sakamaya. Mama janmani janmani sure bhavatad bhakti rahita. Only desire to get the devotional service. Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitama vishame bhavam madhu kurpayata bapada pankajastita duri sadistram vichinta. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has expressed the desires. These prayers, devotees should have these prayers actually. This is standard prayer. I have no other desire, simply to engage in your lotus feet of the Lord. No other desire. Mukunda Mudna, Kulasekar also very nicely. Mukunda Mudna, what is that? I forgot that verses. Mukunda Mudna Panipatya Jache Vabantam Yantam Tavavasmriti Charanara Vinde Bhave Bhavetu Bhavatam. But something is there whereby Kulasekara is now praying to Lord that Mukunda Mudna Panipatya Jache. I have no other desire, I have only desire. What is that? Mukunda Mudna Panipatya Jache Avasmriti Tav Charanara Vinde. Only desire that I should not forget your lotus feet. Bhavantam ekantam yantam artha. Only I have one desire. That is, I should not forget your lotus feet. So that should be desire. So we have that desire is there. We will forget all material desire, which is binding us. Only have a desire how to see the Lord, how to hear about Him, how to engage in devotional service, how to go back to Him. Therefore, this hearing process is very, very important. Another 10, 90, 50, there is a beautiful verses is there. Here it is said that by regular hearing, chanting, meditating on the beautiful topics of Lord Mukunda with ever increasing sincerity, mortal being will attain the divine kingdom of Lord, where the invaluable power of death holds no sway. For this purpose, many persons, including great king, abandoned their mundane home and took to forest. So that is the thing. So by hearing process, hearing, chanting, same thing, Srivanti, Gayanti, Grinanti, Abhisnasa, Smaranti, Nandanti, Tavaitam Jana. So eva paschanti achirena tabakam. Bhava prabaha. Bhava prabaha means current. The current of repetition bars will be stopped, ceased. Bhava uparam means ceasing. Will stop. We will go back to divine kingdom of the Lord by the process of hearing, chanting, remembering the Lord. Where the power has no, it says that invaluable power of death hold no sway. For this purpose, many people, including kings, abandoned their mundane home, took to the forest. Parikshit Maharaj is a great example. When he understood, he knew that he was being cursed by Sringi, that he will die within 7 days. So immediately he left all, abandoned all his kingdom, all his wife, all his opulence, and came to the bank of Ganges and fasting unto the death. And he is asking the question, all the sages also assembled there, because Parikshit Maharaj, the grandson of great Pandavas, Chakravati Samrat, the emperor, is not ordinary king, he is emperor. So all the great sages came assembled there. He is asking everybody, a person who is on the verge of death, what he should do. To this answer, Sukadeva Goswami is starting a beautiful Sattavadini Rajendra Ninnam Santi Saharsa Apasyatam Atmatottam Grihasya Grihamedina. Those who are materialistic, they have so many subject matter of hearing, every day hearing, bombarded by so many mundane information which has no value. But they are not interested to hear Atma Tattva, the self-realization. They are not interested. Therefore, they are Gruhamedis. Why they are not interested? Because they are busy. Please come and hear. Our Krishna consciousness movement, Srila Prabhupada started all the centers. What for? All the centers opened by the Srila Prabhupada just to give opportunity to everyone, particularly the Grihamedis, to get an opportunity to hear about Krishna. Sinvanti Gayanti Grinanti Abhiksnasa. That is the real purpose. That is the main purpose, principal purpose of opening the center, to give opportunity to everyone. All conditioned soul become unconditioned, become liberated. That's why we have opened the center, and program is to hear. Parikshit Maharaj, Sukadeva Goswami telling, they are not interested, they are busy. Sir, please come to temple, please come here. No, I am busy. Why you are busy? Naktam hiryate bebham. What is that verse? Bevavan cha bhayah 2 and 3. Nidra hirate naktam bevavana cha babhayah divarthena rajan kutumba bharanena ba. These 5 verses should be memorized by heart. Nidra hiryate naktam. What they do? I am busy. Oh, night time they are sleeping. Night time they are sleeping or having sex. Dibacha arthena rajan. Daytime they are hustling, bustling to office to maintain the family, to accumulate wealth. Kutumba bharanena, to maintain the family. So they are busy. So much encumbered in family life. They are so busy. I have no time to hear. No time to hear. Dehapatya kalatridasva atma sanyasvasutopi tesam pramatha nidanam pasyanapi na pasyanti. But they are thinking that my wife, my children, all are permanent. And he is busy in giving them satisfaction, earning money, engage in sense gratification. But he has no idea that everything is temporary. Although he has seen his grandfather died, his father died, his great grandfather died, others also dying, but pasyanapi na pasyanti. After seeing also, he was so absorbed in this family life, busy in the process of sense gratification, pravritim maga, path of pravritim, sensual attachment. He does not see his impending destruction, pasyanapi na pasyanti, impending danger. He doesn't see that he is imperceptibly approaching to death every day. Ayur harati by punsam. Ayur harati, every sunrise we reduce 1 day of our life. So we are approaching imperceptibly toward the death. He does not know that. He does not see that. Because he is Maya, he is caught in. He does not see Krishna. He doesn't see that how the Maya is working. So he cannot get out. He does not know that he is inevitably destruct. He will be dying. He is in a death queue. He is going to die. He is going to lose all the so-called family, so-called children, and they cannot. They are fallible soldiers. They are also subject to die. They cannot help. They cannot rescue him. Only process of rescuing from this impending danger, from this inevitable destruction, only way, the solution given by Sukadeva Goswami to Parikshit Maharaj, Tasmad Bharat Sarvatma Bhagavan Ishwara Hari Sroteva Kititabhyacha Smateva Ichchata Bhayam. O descendant of King Bharata, one who desired to be free from all misery, must hear about, glorify, also remember personality of Godhead, who is super soul, the controller and the savior from all misery. So one should be here. If anyone wants to free or get respite from this obnoxious, notorious, nefarious, miserable condition of material life, one has to adopt the process of bona fide hearing. Tasmad Sarvatma Bharata, Bhagavan Ishwara Hari, hearing about Bhagavan. Then one can be fearless. That is the process. So Sukadeva Goswami, Parikshit Maharaj, simply hearing for 7 days, he goes back to Godhead. That is the proof that how by hearing one can see the Lord and one can go back to Godhead. Bhava Prabhav Paramam sees this all current, the flow of repetition of birth and death. We are tossed, tormented. We are tormented by this repetition of birth and death, wheel full of repetition of birth and death, continuous flowing. Therefore one should hear continuously, hear and chant, Srimanti Gayanti Grinanti Aviksnasaha. Not only that, we should be pleased if somebody also hearing, just like in temple, somebody is hearing, we are, somebody is chanting, we are hearing. So we should take pleasure if others are chanting and we are hearing also. Then we can stop our repetition of birth. We can see the Lord through then we can see the Lord face to face. Go back to Godhead and see the Lord. This is the way of seeing. Otherwise we cannot. There is a beautiful verses here. The nice verses actually. Prabhupada has also quoted these verses. 12:3:15. Yeah. Bhagavatam is full of beautiful verses actually. One should read very scrutinizingly. This is Bhumi Gita. Bhumi Devi is praying. Yes uttama sloko gunanubadam sangyate aviksnama mangalam ginaha. See, Bhumi Devi, beautiful, 12:3:15. A person who desires pure devotional service to Lord Krishna should hear the narration of Lord Uttama Sloka's glorious quality. The constant chanting of which destroys everything inauspicious. Therefore it is said that Paramamangalam Tad Vikriditam Krishna Ninnam Paramamangalam. Because why Paramamangalam? Because it destroys everything inauspicious. Sunnatam Sokotha Krishna, Punya is Punya, auspicious, pious. The devotee should engage in such listening in regular daily assemblies, should also continue his hearing throughout the day. See, Prabhupada is so good, this Prabhupada, all his system is so much synchronized, systematized with this Bhagavatam. Prabhupada has our program from Mangalarti hearing process. Prabhupada say every day 2 to 3 hours one must hear Bhagavatam class, morning, afternoon class, evening classes. afternoon Chaitanya evening classes also. Our is hearing process throughout the day. Most of the time is hearing process. Prabhupada made this system so that we will have an opportunity of hearing at least 3-4 hours daily. Because this is the way it will destroy all inauspiciousness. This material world is full of inauspiciousness. Amangala. To make it Paramamangalam, we have to hear Tava Vikriditam Krishna. Hearing about Krishna Katha. Krishna Katha means Bhagavad Gita spoken by Krishna, and Srimad Bhagavatam about Krishna, spoken about Krishna. We hear this Krishna Katha, then what will happen? Then everything is Paramamangalam. Every inauspicious thing is destroyed. That is the way. It's a beautiful verses quoted by Prabhupada. And another verses is very nice in this regard also. It is this one is quoted. This is the Bhumi Gita. Bhumi Devi is nicely. This is also very nice. 429. This verse is also very nice verses. It's creation by Narada Muni to Prachinavaris. Jatra Bhagavata Rajan Sadhava Vishadasyah Bhagavata Gunanukathan Sravana Vyagra Chetasa. See, beautiful. Narada Muni has spoken this 429th. My dear king, in the place where the pure devotee live, following the rule and regulation, thus purely conscious and engaged with great eagerness in hearing and chanting the glories of Supreme Personality of Godhead. In that place, if one get a chance to hear their constant flow of nectar, which is exactly like a waves of river, one will forget the necessity of life, namely hunger, thirst, become immune to all kind of element. This is the process. One is hearing, everything you will forget. Just sang by Sriyamanayam Krishna Parama Purushe Bhaktir Utpadate Punsam Soko Moya Bhayo Pahaya. Soko Maya Bhayo Par, everything. Again, Vasudev is also saying the same things, like all our Soko Maya Moho Bhayo Paha. By hearing, Jasyang by Sriyamanayam, by hearing Krishna Katha, the bhakti will sprout up. Not only bhakti will sprout up, Soko Moho Bhayo Upaha. Upaha means it will extinguishes lamentation, illusion and fearlessness. At once extinguishes. Tat Kirtibi Sutatibi Tatakshanat. Lord will immediately come and sit in the heart by hearing Krishna Katha. Srinmanti. Immediately. Atra Kirtibi Susribi Tatakshanat. That is the effect of hearing. Therefore, it is said that Nityam Bhagavata Seva Bhagavati Uttama Sloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistike. We are fixed up in devotional service if we regularly hearing, regular daily basis, assembled together daily basis. That is the way actually Prabhupada has given the system. Not just blindly, whimsically. Acharya never gives any whimsically. So much comply with this Bhagavatam. Same thing has been said in a beautiful verses. Paraspara anukothanam pavanam bhagavat jasaha. Paraspara anukothanam, discussing about Krishna Katha. Just like our Sunday program, that is the discourse and discussion going on about Krishna Katha. So that it will pavanam means purify. Our whole problem is impurities. Maya means impurities. We are in illusion. We do not know what is my duty, what is my relationship. We are so much intoxicated by the bodily conception of life. We are thinking my wife, my children, my community, my society, all our activities surrounded and going around this conception, bodily conception. Therefore, we are entangled. Pathetically entangled in this precarious and very excruciating situation, awkward situation. To get out of this thing, Krishna himself coming and speaking Bhagavad Gita, and Bhagavatam is spoken as devotees. as a devotee incarnation Vyasadeva. Devotees are speaking about him. Therefore, one should hear. That is the beginning of our devotional Shravanam Kirtanam. Hearing is so important. Nobody hearing, that is our problem. Our problem is why we are lacking our spiritual weakness as three things, three important things, primary causes of our spiritual weakness: spiritual stagnation, spiritual jeopardy, spiritual imbroglio, spiritual stigmatized. What is the three things? No hearing, no reading Prabhupada books. The first thing, no hearing, lack of hearing. If you do not hear, you will be dried up. You will not get enthusiasm to even chant also. One time, Prabhupada was giving classes, and there are two, three devotees, they got up and they are leaving the classes. And Prabhupada asked, excuse me, where are you going? So Prabhupada, no, we have got other service. Prabhupada said, what nonsense service you can give? What other service is important than hearing? Krishna consciousness means hearing. What other services? What other services you can do perfectly without hearing? Without hearing, we cannot give any other services because we do not know the knowledge. Who is Krishna? What is my relationship with Krishna? What is devotional service? What is the standard of devotion? The hearing about Krishna Katha will purify, though they know purification. And if we do, I am doing cooking, I am doing this, I am doing that service, we will be puffed up. We will not be, Krishna will not be centered. The devotion will not be there. We should hear so that we purify. And when you purify, our devotion will be very pure to Krishna without any contamination. So hearing is very important, paramount important. So there are, so here Kunti Devi is praying. Actually the first word in only 1 hour we are taking to explain this so many verses to support that how the process of hearing is so important. So spiritual weakness because of not hearing. Second, not chanting the rounds or chanting mechanically. Third one is Vaishnava Aparadha. Vaishnava Aparadha is obstructing our devotional service also. The first thing is hearing is not there. That is our stumbling blocks. The three things are primary stumbling blocks. Obstruction for our advancement in Krishna consciousness. No hearing or reading, no chanting properly, or not chanting full, complete the rounds, stipulated round, and Vaishnava Kriya. And also prasadam. If you compromise with prasadam, your consciousness will infect it. Therefore, only Krishna prasadam. So the four things is very important. This is our spiritual weakness. Spiritual strength is just opposite. Hearing. Shravanam kirtanam dhyanam harer adbhuta karmana janma karma gunanam cha tad arthat akhila chestata. We should always, our endeavor should be simply hearing, chanting, meditating the wonderful activities of Krishna. This is stated in beautiful verses 11:3-27 Bhagavatam. These beautiful verses 11:3, 28 both. Prabhupada used the verses very nice. Many in his lecture also he used these verses. I think he has given also one should hear, glorify, meditate upon the wonderful transcendental activity. One should specially become absorbed in the appearance activities, qualities and holy name of Supreme Personality of Godhead. Thus inspired, one should perform all one's daily activities and offering to the Lord. First thing is Sravanam, Kirtanam, Dhyanam, Harer Adbhuta Karmana. Janma Karma Gunanam Cha Tadartha Akhila Chestata. First thing hearing, then you do perform all of one's daily activities and offering to Lord as an offering. That is the first thing, Sravanam, Kirtanam. Finally, Krishna has spoken. There are so many verses are there. So we will go to the last verses. Then we can go to the Grinanti also. Some other. I mean, will because so we will go to one more verses. Beautiful verses is spoken by the Lord Himself. Lord Himself is confirming this. It's a very beautiful verses here. तायस्रन्वन्ति गायन्ति हि अनुमद्दन्ति चार्दात्मकपरा सदा धानस्य भक्त्यां बिन्दन्ति ते मायि. Whoever hears chants respectfully take to the heart these topics about me because faithfully dedicated to me thus achieve my devotional service. Krishna Himself, the Lord, Supreme Lord Himself is revealing how to attain my devotional service. The process of hearing, chanting, and take it very seriously. This is the way you can do it. This is the way. Even Bhagavatam it is said that the Srimad Bhagavatam Sravanam Supathanam Dhyanam Vicharanam Paro Ninnam Bhakta Vimuchena Ninnam. This process of hearing, chanting, and taking it seriously, the topics about Krishna and dedicated to Him, and in this way the result is when one can easily obtain, one can achieve my devotional service. This is the process Krishna is revealing to His dearmost servant, dearmost devotees, Uddhava. This is the way. Whosoever hears chant respectfully take to the heart, and once you get the devotional service, then there is nothing to be achieved. The next verses Krishna say, once you get my devotional service, there is nothing left. That is the final. Prema Pumartha Mahan. This is the highest goal. There is no other goal. Yam labdacha paramalabham. Yam labdacha paramalabham. Swamin kitatusmi. Na jache baram. Dhruva Maharaj telling, I am very happy. I got your devotional service. That's it. I see you. That's it. I got your devotional service, bhakti, that is enough for me. So I am in kitatus, I am content. Yam labdacha paramalabham, the supreme gain, highest gain. Bhaktim labdhavata sadho kim anyad avishyasate. See, Krishna here also asserted this fact. What more remains to be accomplished for the perfect devotee after achieving devotional service unto me? The supreme absolute truth, whose qualities are innumerable, who am the embodiment of all ecstatic experience. So, once you get the devotional service, you get it, everything. What is not to be? If you get the devotional service, Krishna become your subordination actually, kind of. Aham bhakta pradhina. Krishna is controlled by the devotee. The supreme Lord, supreme proprietor, supreme controller. What is left if you get the Lord? So this hearing process is very important. So how it is possible? This is a very important point. Hearing is important, but this is possible by association of devotee. So Krishna say one of the verses, O greatly fortunate Uddhava, in association of some saintly devotee, there is a constant discussion of me. Those partaking in this chanting, hearing my glories are certainly purified of all sins. Because we have got sins. To purify sins means, in association of devotee, we should constantly discuss and chanting and hearing my glories of Krishna. Kapil Dev also same thing. Satang prasangam mama virya sambinda bhavanti utkanna rasayana kata tat josana tapavarga vartamani तज्जोसुना अपवर्ग वर्तमानी श्रद्धा भक्ति अनुक्रमस्यति श्रद्धा रतिर भक्ति अनुक्रमस्यति. So Kapil Dev also said that Satang Prasangam Mamavirya Samvida, in association of devotee, the Krishna Katha is very releasing. Very releasing. And by this process of hearing, in association of devotee, what will happen? All the sins are destroyed. Or Apavarga Vartamani, we can go back to Godhead. Pavarga, Apavarga. The Pavarga means full of material anxiety. Apavarga means free of anxiety. Vaikuntha. Vigata kunta smaditi Vaikuntha. So this is Vaikuntha, Vigata kunta, there is no kunta anxiety. And all bhakti, attraction, devotion and attachment, everything, bhakti, rati, faith, everything will follow by the process of hearing. Once you hear regularly, your faith will increase, your faith will strengthen, your attachment will strengthen, and eventually your love, you get the love. From faith to love. Adau Shraddha, then Prema, there is a process. Adau Shraddha Tatha Sadhu Sangha, by Sadhu Sangha Bhajana Kriya, by hearing process. You get an opportunity of hearing only by association of devotees. We cannot hear from chai wala, we cannot hear from the grocery wala. We can hear only from the devotee, therefore devotee association. Hearing is possible by devotees. So here we know that how important the hearing. There are so many verses is there, but we are running late. So I will go to the verses to finish this one, 1:8:36, Kunti Devi's verses. Prabhupada has given also classes on this. So Sravanti Gayanti Aviksnasaha. So here those who are continuing and chant also. Not only hear, after hearing you also chant. Chanting is our main process. Hare Nama eva kevalam kalau nasteva gatirana. By chanting process and hearing process and repeat your transcendental activities. Or take pleasure in others doing so. Certainly see your lotus feet, which alone can stop the repetition of birth and death. Once you see the lotus feet of the Lord, that means what is to be left? You will stop this repetition. The effect of hearing chanting is that you will stop. Not only you see the Lord, but also you stop this repetition, birth and death. So we will read the purport and end these classes. The Supreme Lord Sri Krishna cannot be seen by our present condition vision. In order to see him, one has to change the present vision by developing a different condition of life full of spontaneous love of God. When Sri Krishna was personally present in the face of the globe, not everyone could see him as the Supreme Personality of God. And materialistic like Ravana, Hiranyakasipu, Kansa, Jarasandha, Shishupala were highly qualified personality by acquisition of material asset. But they were unable to appreciate the presence of love. Therefore, even though Lord may be present before our eyes, it is not possible to see him unless we have the necessary vision. That is important. Because Krishna is covered. 7:25 Bhagavad Gita. Naham sarvasya prakasa. Jogo maya samarvita is Kunti Devi also same praying. The Bhagavad Gita, so necessary, so we need a necessary vision. We cannot see in our blunt eyes. This necessary qualification is developed by process of devotional service, only beginning with hearing about the Lord Krishna, only with devotional service only. There is no other process. The necessary vision we develop. Premanjana churita bhakti bilochanena santa sadeva hudeshu bilokyanti yam syama sundaram achinta guna sarupam govindamadi purusam tam. We want to see the Lord face to face. Premanjana churita, only devotional service. Your eyes should be anointed with devotional service. Love of Godhead. Only Prabhupada said, beginning with hearing. Devotional service begins with the process of hearing about the Lord from a right source. Very important. Bhagavad right source, not from the Mayavadis or atheist, professional reciter of Vaishnava, no. For a bona fide source who is coming from the disciplic succession. The Bhagavad Gita is one of the popular literature which are generally heard and chanted, repeated, etc. by the people in general. But in spite of such hearing, sometimes it is experienced that performer of such devotional service does not see the Lord face to face. The reason is that the first item, Sravana, is very important. If hearing is from the right source, it acts very quickly. Generally, people hear from unauthorized person. Such unauthorized person may be very learned by academic qualification, but because they do not follow the principles of devotional service, hearing from thus them becomes a sheer waste of time. Sometimes they fashionably interpret the text to suit their own purpose. Therefore, first one should select a competent and a bona fide speaker, then hear from him. When the hearing is a hearing process is perfect and complete, the other process become automatically perfect in their own. First is hearing. If his hearing is perfect, then all the chanting, remembering, serving, all other process of bhakti will be automatically perfected. There are different transcendental activity of the Lord, and each and every one of them is competent to bestow the desired result, provided the hearing process is perfect. See, everything there, the 9 process of devotion also, Bhakti Chena Navalakhyana, they will give the result, but if the hearing, provided the hearing process is perfect. Therefore, in Bhagavatam, the activities of the Lord begin from dealings with Pandava. There are many other pastime of the Lord, connection with dealing with Asuras and other. And in the 10th canto, sublime dealings with his conjugal associate, the gopis and his married wives at Dwarika are mentioned. Since the Lord is absolute, there is no difference in the transcendental nature of each and every dealing of the Lord. But sometimes people in an authorized hearing process take more interest in hearing about the dealings with gopis, such an inclination indicates that the lusty feeling of the hearer. So a bona fide speaker of dealing of the Lord never indulge in such hearing. One must hear about the Lord from the very beginning in the Srimad Bhagavatam or any other scriptures, but that will help the hearer attain perfection by progressive development. Sometimes they jump to 10th canto. They are thinking by hearing about the dealing of gopis and Dwaraka, his queen, is more important, more prioritized, more priority, more important than hearing about Krishna Katha, hearing about his creation, other pastime, like dealing with Asura, dealing with dealing with Arjuna. That is the wrong thing. That is not a bona fide hearing. We should hear very systematically. Then only from the beginning of Srimad Bhagavatam. Actually, Srimad Bhagavatam is all 12 canto, 12 limbs of the Lord. One should start from the lotus feet, that is called first and second canto. Then slowly it will go to come to the 10th canto, which is Mukharavinda. Prafulla Mukharavinda, Dasamam Prafulla Mukharavinda, 10th canto. Not that directly they go to 10th canto and overstepping all other canto. That is not the bona fide hearing. Prabhupada, they are mentioning one should hear very systematically from first canto. We must always remember that Lord is always transcendental to all mundane attachment. In all above mentioned dealing of Lord is the hero in all circumstances. Hearing about him, about his devotee or combatant is conducive to spiritual life. Either hearing about his devotee or combatant, or hearing about gopis, his intimate devotee, all are same actually, because Lord is absolute, transcendental, no difference between this and that, inferior, superior. It is said that Vedas and Purana, etc., are made to revive our lost relationship with him. Hearing all the scripture is essential. It is said the Vedas and Purana, etc., are all made to revive our lost relationship. Yes. Veda, Purana, the Bhagavatam are made, all the spiritual books Krishna has compiled so that we can revive this relationship with him by hearing process. There is a beautiful verses in this regard. This is in I think 22 1 to 2. Sorry, 21 to 2. The beautiful verses. The Krishna has compiled this Veda Purana. Why Krishna has compiled a Veda Purana? It is said that Maya Mugdha Jibera Nai Soto Krishna Jnana. Jibera Krupaya Kailo Krishna Veda Purana. So the conditioned soul cannot revive his Krishna consciousness by his own effort. No, we are bound. Tapisvatantra, Urudhamani Bandha, we are bound with very strong ropes. 3 ropes, threefold of misery. We are bound by threefold of misery. We cannot unbound ourselves. But out of causeless mercy, Lord Krishna compiled the Vedic literature and it supplements the Purana. So what happened? Why Krishna? So that we hear Sadhu Shastra Guru, from the Sadhu Shastra Guru, by following the 3 process, we by hearing process from sadhu, shastra and guru, we will unbound ourselves from this conditioned life. Conditioned life means we are bound by three ropes, Teipisa Tantra, very strong rope, threefold of misery. To unbound him, to release from the binding, we must. Therefore, Krishna, out of causeless mercy, he compiled this Veda, Vedanta Purana, so that we can revive our, by hearing this Shastra from a bona fide source, we revive our Krishna consciousness process. The next verses Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is spoken by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Shastra Guru Atma Rupe Apanar Janana Krishna Moro Prabhu Tatra Jivero Hoye Jnana. The forgetful conditioned soul is educated by Krishna through Vedic literature, the realized spiritual master and the super soul. Through these, he can understand supreme personality of Godhead as he is. He can understand Lord Krishna as the eternal master and deliverer from clutches of Maya. And in this way, one can acquire knowledge of his constitutional life, conditioned life, and can come to understand how to attain liberation. This is why. This is why Krishna is speaking Bhagavad Gita. Why Krishna compiling Veda Purana? So that we can get out from these clutches of Maya, release from the clutches of Maya, by hearing them from the spiritual master, saintly person. That is the process. That is the process. Therefore, Prabhupada said that it is very important to read it very systematically, Bhagavatam, from a bona fide source, in order to see the Lord and stop this repetition, birth and death. So, before I wind up, I will show you one of the beautiful verses that Prabhupada has mentioned just before this last line, that one should systematically study the Bhagavatam from Canto 1 to Canto 12 like this, not to jump, In this regard, there is a beautiful I think Sukadev Goswami has spoken in this regard, one verses. There is a beautiful verses. Where is verse? Somewhere it is Sukadev Goswami has mentioned very nicely this how one should learn very systematically. 3.9.15 or 3.9.15. Somewhere I forgot where it is said that one should learn it very systematically, the Bhagavatam, so that one can 325 systematically, so that one should systematically learn from this Bhagavatam from chapter 1, Canto 1. This is the bona fide hearing instead of jumping, because Krishna is absolute by hearing this process. So we are ending it. I want to end with one of the beautiful verses, 285. Pravishta kannarandhrena Soruram. This beautiful verses, Pravishta kannarandhrena Swanam bhava soruraham dhunati kamla dhumati samalam Krishna salilasya datha sarira tatha sarat salilasya jatha sarat. So it is said that Pravishta kannarandhrena, Pravishta means when this Krishna Katha enter through the ears, like a COVID you are taking by injection, these are the medicine taken from the ears. When it will come to the heart, it will cleanse. Dhunati samalam Krishna, samalam means dirty. All the dirty thing will be cleansed. Just like a winter season, salilasya jatha sarat. Winter season, the ponds are dirty. When there is a sarat season of autumn, this pond is very dirty. When autumn season comes, there is a rainfall, it will clear all the dirty things. Similarly, when you hear Krishna Katha, it will enter into heart, it will cleanse our dirty thing. This is the medicine for Bhavarogo, the higher pandemic, more dangerous. This Bhavarogo, repeated birth and death, Bhava Prabaha, That is called Bhava Prabaha. This is higher pandemic. Kunti Devi telling this Bhava Prabaha is very pandemic, very flow current. It will drag you. So this Bhava Prabaha, repeated birth and death, can be uparamam seized, stopped. This current can be stopped by the process of hearing Krishna Katha. So this is the process. Thank you very much. So we should be very carefully, every day we should hear about Krishna Katha without fail. Reading or hearing, chanting, no Vaishnava Aparadha, only Prasadam. The four things we strictly follow, definitely we will advance in Krishna consciousness. All other things will be perfected. Early morning, rising early morning, hearing, attending Mangala Aarti, engaging in the service of the Lord, hearing as a chanting, hearing, all this process will be perfected by once you start understanding hearing process, when you purify our heart by this process. So thank you very much. Hare Krishna. All goes to Srila Prabhupada. Granthara Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai.